A very good morning, class 4, and I welcome you to your English language class. Today is a very different English language class. We will be doing letter writings. Yes, we all know what is letter writing. We write letters to our parents. During Mother's Day, we write letters, dear mother, thank you for everything, and from your name we write, right? I write my own name, you write your own name to your mother. So we write during the Father's Day also, we write to our brothers and sisters, we write to everybody whom we love letter writing. Okay, today we will be seeing that there are two types of letters, that is informal letter and we have formal letter. So formal letters are the applications which we write to our teachers, principal and officials, which are a bit different. Why? Because they are only concerned with serious issues. Okay? And we write letters to our personal people like family members, relatives or friends, which are called informal letters. Today, children, we will be doing with the informal letters first. We'll learn how to write letters to our parents, friends, relatives or anybody whom we love. Okay, so personal letters are very personal, like the emotions or the expressions and the way of writing, way of thanking or loving differs from one person to the other. So personal letters are very personal and it differs from one person to the other. We'll see the examples in the book first. That is, number 1, this letter is written by Nimish. So if Nimish is writing the letter, Nimish name will be at the end. Can you see Nimish? Yes. Requesting his friend Kriti to look after his pet dog Golu. So here Nimish is personally requesting Kriti to take care of his dog Golu whenever he is not there or he is not around. So who is writing the letter? Nimish. So Nimish's address will be at the first, and this is the first rule of letter writing. That is, the address, whoever is writing the letter, his or her address will be at the top left hand side. B5 J Apartments, Malviya Nagar, Delhi. Okay, so this will be the first rule, that is your own address on the left hand side if you are writing a letter to your friend, relatives or family or parents. Okay, next we will write about the date, on which date you are writing this letter. Okay, that is rule number 2. Next we have rule number 3, that is you will write whoever you are writing to. Like if you are writing letter to your friends, so you have to write your name, friend's name. If you are writing it to your father, so you will write dear father. If you are writing to your sister, so you will write dear sister. Okay, you can write dear sister Jenny, okay, or dear sister Mary. Whoever it is, you have to address them. That is here. Next is hope you are doing well. See children, first, second and third. So a letter writing is divided into 3 paragraphs. How many paragraphs? 3 paragraphs. First is the introduction, that you ask how are you. You don't directly go to the topic. We have to thank or we have to ask how are you. I hope everything is fine at your end. Next comes the body, that is why are you writing the letter. We will give it in detail. I am going on a holiday with my family. It's a 3-day trip. I cannot take my pet dog Golu with me there. I request you to look after it for 3 days. So here is the reason you are giving. Why are you writing this letter? Okay. And why are you writing to look after his pet dog, Golu? That goes to the body or the second paragraph where we describe or where we give the detail of the letter. Done. Next, the last comes the third paragraph, that is conclusion. It's called conclusion, which is, I know you love dogs. I'm sure you will love Golu too. It's a very good dog. And you can add on also here like, thank you Kriti for helping me out with my pet dog. So that goes the last paragraph where is the conclusion. And then you will write your loving friend. Since Kriti is Nimish's friend, so Nimish has written your loving friend. If you are writing to your mother, you will not write your loving friend, right? You will be writing your son or your daughter or yours lovingly, Nimish. Done. So this is the first example in the book itself, and you will go through the rest of the examples from the book, like number 2, 3, 4, 5. I have taken out 5 from your book. 2, 3, 4, you will read it yourself. Why I have taken out 5? Because you can see, obvious, the first rule is you have to write your own address. Second rule is the date. Third rule is the name to whom you are writing. And then there should be 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is, hope this letter finds you in good spirit. Second paragraph is, I heard that you are suffering from viral fever. You should take good care of yourself. Take medicine on time and eat healthy food. You should also take complete rest. Do not worry. You will be able to join your school soon. So this is the topic. See, your friend is ill and you are writing a letter. So here is, you can understand why are you writing the letter. But have you noticed that the third paragraph is missing from here? That is the conclusion part. Yes, but you will not make this mistake. Okay, what you will do is you will add on to the third paragraph here. Like you can add that I am hoping and praying for your recovery, that you soon recover and join the school, and we will have fun. So you can add just one line, that I pray for your recovery, and it will be the concluding line. That will be in a separate paragraph. So, and the last is your loving friend Deepak. Since Rajiv is Deepak's friend, so he has written friend here. Done. Now children, I have the format for you. The letter goes as, write a letter to your brother. So here brother, you will be writing it to your brother, to thank him for the beautiful birthday gift he has sent to you. So the first rule is you have to write your own address in the left hand side. Second rule is date. If you are writing it today, you have to give today's date. If you are writing it tomorrow, you have to write tomorrow's date. Next we have dear brother. Why dear brother? Because you are writing the letter to your brother. Dear brother. Fourth is the first paragraph, that is the introduction, like I hope you are in good spirit and good health and taking care of yourself. Full stop. Then comes the topic or the body, why you are writing the letter, that is second paragraph, that I received your gift. That is the beautiful bicycle. I was so happy to receive it just on birthday, and I love the color, it's green, and I also love the helmet which you have sent with it. I will be giving a photograph of it when I go for a ride after this pandemic. Okay, so that's the body. I just made it up. You can write in your own gift also. It can be anything. I chose bicycle. It doesn't mean that you have to choose bicycle also. Okay, number 6 is the third paragraph, that is the conclusion, that I will be soon visiting you with everybody from the family. Till then, take care of yourself and have fun. Done? That is paragraph third, and it's the concluding paragraph. Then you write yours lovingly. Here will be one comma and then your own name. Whoever is writing, it's his or her name here, and whoever is writing, it's his or her own address at the top. So everything will start from the left hand side, children. Nothing will go to right or middle or anywhere. Okay, you will be reading out homework is you will be reading out page 128 to 131. That is, the letter writings are there. You may find that letters are written maybe in one paragraph or maybe two paragraphs, but you will be doing it only in 3 paragraphs. Okay, I will be giving you few topics of letter writing. You can practice at home, and if any problem, you can just refer to me in the comment section. So that's all for today, children. Thank you everyone, and I hope you have understood the new writing skill, that is letter writing. That's all for today. Thank you everyone.